Hey there, everybody. Thomas with Basecamp Trading. It is Wednesday, December 12th, and I want to talk a little bit about crude oil here and just using Renko charts with the current volatility, because with the current volatility the way it is, it's very, very easy to jump in using a tool like Renko and catch some pretty decent sized moves here. Now, one of the ways we stay in trades longer and know when it's time to get in and get out using Renko is we use the Momentum Trender Pro indicator, which is what's painting these price bars green, blue, and red. Blue means neutral, green is bullish, and red is bearish. So, for example, if we sell a bounce, for example, we change trend and start going lower highs, lower lows, our MQ trend changes to bearish on red. These red dots mean bearish MQ trend. That means we have to sell the bounce here. So you're selling here, you're selling here, and you ride that out until you change back to bluish, and that'll keep you in for about 80% of the move. Same thing on the way up. When we were bullish on MQ trend and our trend was higher highs, higher lows, your binary retracement, it jumps quite a bit. You maintain the position until MQ trend changes, which is about here, about 15 ticks off the high or so. So not too bad. But again, this is just one of the ways of catching these bigger swings and knowing when to get in and when to get out and how to stay in a trade longer. And it works extremely, extremely well with the current volatility. So one of the pieces that you got to get good at as a trader is knowing what tools to use in what market environment. Lower market environment, you'll use a different strategy than you use in a higher volatility market environment like we have now. All right, so that's it for today. If you're interested in learning how to trade Renko, we trade it every single day in the trading room. Also, we have a workshop coming up at the end of this month. All you have to do is join the trading room down below. There's a link. It's only $7. It's in the description below. But that's it for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And until next time, everybody, happy trading.